Welcome to this BoldDesk chat workflows tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated emails using chat workflows. From this send email block, admins can automate email delivery to specific recipients within a workflow. This feature is perfect for notifying users, sharing updates, escalating issues, or sending a conversation summary. For this demo, I'll create a workflow that automatically sends a chat transcript via email when the conversation status changes to closed. To get started, I log into the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator, navigate to the Admin Center, and then the Chat module, and open Chat Automation. Here, select Workflows to view the available workflow triggers. To send an email once the conversation is closed, I select the Conversation Status Change trigger. For detailed instructions on creating workflows, check out the video linked in the card or the description. Then, define the conditions that will trigger the workflow when the conversation status changes to closed, and click Next to proceed. On the Workflow Designer page, select the initial block and click the Add icon to open the context menu. Inside the context menu, select Actions and then Send Email. This opens a configuration panel on the right. You can choose the email recipients from this user's dropdown. I select the requester for my workflow, but you can also choose the assigned agent and participants as recipients. Next, enter the email subject and body, and personalize the message using dynamic placeholders from the Insert Placeholders section. To include the conversation transcript, use the chat email transcript placeholder. This placeholder will automatically be replaced with the actual transcript when the email is sent. Click Add to save the action. As a general rule, you need to add an end block to every workflow for smoother operation. I add an end block for this workflow and click Publish and Activate. After activation, an email will automatically be sent to the designated users whenever the conversation status changes to closed, along with our configured message. Finally, remember to ensure outbound email is configured and verified in your account. Also, confirm that recipients exist and have valid email addresses. If you have learned something new, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.